Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our geography last chapter, disaster and its management. It is chapter 10 of geography. India is the seventh largest country in the world and it is second most populous country. Number 1 populous country is China and second number is of India. And beta, due to its unique physical feature, it is also one of the most disaster prone country in the world. On the one hand, nature has provided ways and means for the sustenance of life on the earth. But on second hand, nature is also one of the biggest source of destruction. And these destructions can be due to earthquake, floods, droughts, cyclones, landslides, and forest fire. These are called natural hazards. When these hazards cause great loss of life and property, this hazard is known as disaster. But if we take some precautionary measures, then we can less or better reduce the destruction done by these disasters. Who is the first to help us in such times? Better at the time of disaster or any type of such situation when we need the help of others, the community is the first to help us. And second numbers comes of young students, but they also provide so much help and they are helpful. They can become more helpful when they are trained and they get proper training that what to do in such times or at the time of disasters. This will come under the disaster management. Earthquake, with a sudden shaking of the earth, or we can say the sudden movements under the earth crust cause vibrations or shaking of a part of the earth's surface. These vibrations are known as earthquake. And beta, these movements or the shaking of the earth can cause lot of destructions. And the shaking movements sent out by an earthquake is called seismic wave. The study of earthquake is called seismology, and the scientists who study about the earthquake are called seismologists. The place of origin of an earthquake is called focus. And the place which is directly above this focus, that means on the surface of the earth, is called epicenter. And the shaking of the earth is felt strongest near the epicenter. Bete, earth experiences millions of earthquake every year. लेकिन उनमें से इतने छोटे होते हैं, ये माइनर होते हैं कि उन्हें नोटिस नहीं किया जा सकता या नहीं हो पाते हैं. The occurrence of an earthquake is detected by an sensitive instrument which is called seismograph, and its intensity is measured on Richter scale. Let us talk about Richter scale, beta. On this scale, the numbers are from 0 to 9. And beta, from each number, the earthquake, whatever comes, is measured double than the previous number. It is very difficult to predict the occurrence of an earthquake as it occurs suddenly. And with those who are violent earthquake, they are very destructive. Do you know, beta, on 26 January 2001, there was a powerful earthquake in Gujarat, in which beta 20,000 people died and 15 lakh were injured. and about 8 lakhs houses were destroyed. In India, the Himalayan region in the northern part is earthquake prone region. Precautions against earthquake. Number 1, leave your homes or school building and move to an open area. Number 2, learn the basic first aid functions. Number 3, do not stay near windows, bookcases, mirrors, hanging pots, etc. If trapped in a building, remain close to an interior wall and protect your head with your hands. Avoid using lift. If outdoors, keep away from trees, signboards, building, poles, electric wires, and do not sit inside a car or a bus. If you are inside a theater hall, stadium, or an auditorium, do not panic. You should stay inside only. Cyclones. Have you seen the circulatory winds near the surface of the earth? But this is only the cyclone. It is associated with the circulatory winds in the lower part of the atmosphere. And it develops when a low pressure area is surrounded by the high pressure area or winds. Bitter, these winds are accompanied by heavy rains and are often disastrous. The areas which are cyclone prone area in India, they are West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and coastal areas of Gujarat and Maharashtra. In Andhra Pradesh, there was a cyclone which hit in May 1990. The speed of winds was about 250 km per hour. The cyclone affected about 6,000 villages in the coastal areas and near about 1,000 persons and about 25,000 cattle were killed and 12 lakhs houses were fully or partially destroyed. At that time, the total loss was estimated to be worth several hundred crore rupees. And this included the destruction of crops also. The Indian Meteorological Department studies the development and movement of cyclones in and around India. Precautions against cyclones. Number 1, listen regularly to weather bulletins on television or radio. Keep an emergency kit ready. Secure your home or move to a safer place. Store enough non-perishable food articles in waterproof bags. Do not venture into the sea. Keep phone numbers of hospitals, police, help agencies, relatives, and after the cyclone, check gas leak and dry the electrical appliances. Avoid flood water and be careful about snakes. That's all in the first part of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.